Gimme more free information. Information overwhelmed Part 2 Ugly Truth Man Talk. I feel overwhelmed by information. How much information is enough for one day, from the first moments after we wake up, until the last moments before the profound sleep night, surrounded by information. Instead of poems we learn new advertising slogans, instead of friends, we remember the names of random people that manipulate us through social media. We learn not useful facts and ideas, instead of focusing on our personal growth. Would you play Who Wants to Be Millionaire? No, I'm not that smart. Or my answer is yes. I will knowledge at contest you. In the previous video, link in description, we talk about illiterate people and information facts. This information is about how to use information, some combinations and meanings. Information and beliefs means leading example, information and inspiration means new ideas, information and food is health, information and effort means appreciation, information and vices or sins means personal choice, information plus colors means art in any form, information plus nature means experiences and connection, information plus problems means life tests, information and relationships means beautiful families. Improving life aspects using information and updating what we know is a permanent task, or we delegate some of the things we must do, or no. The term fasting means to abstain from all, or some kinds of food or drink, especially as a religious observance. In the same time you can use fasting for information. For a day, you can quit reading news or wasting time for a week, disconnect your brain and eyes from the mobile phone screen for a few hours, and draw something. Read a book or write a text. Talk with someone, cook something, walk in nature, play a game with someone or kids, learn a new skill, find a hobby, make love instead of watching the TV. You have a car, one level of information have the people who build it, from designers to engineers, other level of information have those who repair cars, and the rest of the people are just drivers, or there are a few people on earth, like me, who don't understand how to drive a car and we just use a taxi or other transport ways. We don't care about the brand, speed, or price of any car. Information plus life experiences means school of life. In this moment out there is information for everyone. For kids are online cartoons plus advertising products. For adults from movies to documentaries and shopping. Older people have games and TV series. How much information from yesterday you remember? Too much information is moving us away from faith in God. We replace Him with simple people who caught our attention using our weakness. We move away from principles, values, and love. We cheat and make sins in the name of information. We are used and manipulated by other people using the information we use from them. Tied up and surrounded from all angles with information in every second of our day. Here are some word combination on using information. Information plus sport means competitive. Information plus money should mean profit. People with information are business tips. Information plus fake is two-faced humans. No debts plus information is free life. Sins plus information is hell. Information plus honesty means trustworthy. Info plus lies is perfect lie. There are also some ugly 3 examples. Lazy plus well-informed is stupid. Informed and with fears is someone with fear of risk. Informed and with all kind of values may be a saint. Informed and original is someone genius. Informed and hard-working means to burn steps through success path. The purpose of information, the FOMO principle is the fear of missing out news, latest song or video, fear of remain behind with some episode, fear of being stupid by not knowing what is new. The ugly truth of information and being well informed is that it's hard to choose something, someone or what to do next. The more you know, the more you judge a fact, a person, or is hard to take a decision. The brain beats the heart or the heart beats the brain. In this care, brain is synonym with information. If you don't use the information you have, you remain poor and not useful for others. You are tired of yourself and you must go out from your thoughts and inner world. In different stages of our life, in the deadlines of delivering a text or taking a conclusion or decision, we are overwhelmed with information. Like 1 ton weight is pressing us to solve the daily problems. Some say you must be very good at only one thing, said my accountant friend. With all his knowledge he is not wealthy, he makes other people rich, this is ugly truth, or in the worst case if his experience is no longer needed, he can become jobless. Information or skills, how to do things or just information about everything. We can use information in every part of our day, life aspects, and to live better, easy and beautiful. In Bible there is a truth verse about knowledge, because in much wisdom there is much grief, and increasing knowledge results in increasing pain. God bless you with good quality information so you can achieve your plans.